Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sam. Uh, if you've been following my channel for a long time, I've obviously been on the matter telling people for years that hey, speed in blockchain is something you need to look out for, right? Because if you don't, you're gonna miss out on some certain gains. I say gains. Now, why is speed important? If you've been following my channel, there was a there was a time when I did a presentation and I told us about what blockchain is, the two use cases of blockchain. Blockchain is used to store and move data, and there are basically two types of data in this sense. There are non-monetary data, there are monetary data. Non-monetary data are names of employees and all those stuff that you want to be embedded on the blockchain, or maybe you wrote an article and want it to be timestamped on the blockchain. Those are non-monetary data. Then we have monetary data such as money, money, cryptocurrency. Right, so and what are the challenges of blockchain? Speed, scalability problem, right? They are not fast. The reason why they are not fast is because most times each transaction you send is stored in a block, and the block time between the amount of time between two blocks is usually too much. So because of that, people cannot send many transactions because they have to wait for the next transaction block to be produced, right? Hope that was easy to understand. So transactions are stored in a block, and the longer it takes for the next block to come, the slower the transaction on that blockchain becomes. Right now, the next problem that most blockchains have is that they have fee for every transaction. And I've been saying this for over 2000 years that any blockchain that has fee is not fit for the future. And you should know that by now. I need to drink water. Now, any blockchain that doesn't have non-human readable names are also not fit for the future. Yeah, I just drank water. So, any blockchain that doesn't have an easy way to upgrade a smart contract, SM is some smart contract here, is not fit for the future. Right now, have this in mind. Now, these are the reasons why the Binance coin has been exploding. You know why? Binance chain, smart chain, solved the problem of scalability. It's way faster than Ethereum, but it has transaction fees. It doesn't have human readable names. Now, this is the only feature that Binance chain has, and because of this feature alone, Binance chain is almost knocking Ethereum off. It's now the third biggest cryptocurrency in the entire crypto space because it has just this number one feature only. Now let's take a look at Binance chain. So Binance Smart Chain, we're going to look at the Explorer. You can just come. The URL is binance.org/smartchain. Right. So it's a proof of stake blockchain, and it, as far as I'm concerned, it's a block time of 5 seconds. You say 5 seconds? It's 5 seconds is just means that Binance chain is 3 times faster than Ethereum. Now, why is it 3 times? The block time of Ethereum is, let's just check it out. Block time of Ethereum. Block time of, sorry, I need to, yep, block. Now I'm also teaching you how to make research. Block time of Ethereum is what? Approximately 15 seconds, right? So, but let's work with 13. Well, no, let's go worst case for Ethereum, 15 seconds. So, okay, let's work with what we've seen. 13 seconds. And the block time of what? Of Binance Smart Chain is what? Is 5 seconds. 5. That means Binance Chain is just 2.6 times faster than Ethereum. 2.6 times faster than Ethereum. Alright, I'm going to tell you what this means. Now let's look further. First of all, let's head on to CoinMarketCap to see where Binance Chain is. CoinMarketCap, let's see. Binance Chain is currently ranked number 3. Why? Because it has just I have four. I have many things I look at in the blockchain before I pick a blockchain, but these are just the four easy ones for people to look at. There are other features that I look at, but these are just the four non-technical ones that I look at before I pick a blockchain of my choice. Now, Binance has just one. Okay, should I say two? Right? But this is the most popular one. Binance has just one out of the four, and Binance is ranked number 3. Let's go back. Let's go back to this. So 5 seconds, cross-chain transfer, proof of stake, cross-chain contract events, to be supported. Now, block time of this. Of course, these are very useful features there. Now, this is the Binance scan. If you've been using Ethereum for a long time, you would know that this is just similar. This is just a copy of Ethereum, which is not bad. Which is you can. This is the blockchain space. You can copy whatever you want to. So this is Etherscan, which is a block explorer of Ethereum, and this is BSC scan. It looks exactly the same, so it's just a mere copy. Right, so Binance chain has a block, an active validator optin 1. Now remember when people were mocking EOS, because EOS has those block has BP 21 BP, right? And Binance has the same thing, and no one is mocking them. Now don't get me wrong, I'm not trying to cause a fight. I'm just trying to let you guys know how unfair this space is. Now moving forward, transaction TPS is 44. It has a TPS of 44, which is good, which is really good. And you can see it doesn't have human readable addresses, and that makes it not suitable for the future, except they fix that. And let's go to see more statistics. Okay, this is the block time of Binance chain. So currently now the block time is as low as 3 seconds. Right, it's as low as 3 seconds, and this period it got to as high as 3.08. So that's the block time. And then I think we have more the top. These are the top stats of the Binance Smart Chain. Right, top unique sender, top transaction output, top gas used. It has transaction fees. Yep. So that is Binance Smart Chain. So, but just in case I didn't explain, so you can build smart contracts. Should I say it's an Ethereum competitor, right? But it still doesn't match the kind of blockchain that I would love to see in the future, that I know would last the test of time, right? Now, like I said, blockchain Binance Smart Chain has a block time of 3 to 5 seconds. But now let's go to a website called Blocktivity. If you've been following my YouTube videos, you should know about Blocktivity for now. Now it's opening. Now let's see block time. Let's open block time. Now there are currently 3 blockchains in the world. Now Binance Smart Chain is just as fast as Tron. Tron has a block time of 3 seconds. So Binance Smart Chain and Tron are age mates. Let me put it that way. Are age mates when it comes to technology. Permit me to put it that way for the non-technical people in the house, right? So it has, the potential of Tron is just 900, right? Now this is Hedera hash graph, has a block time of 1 second. That means Hedera hash graph is 3 times faster than Tron and Binance Smart Chain, right? And Proton, which is a fork of EOS, has a block time of 0.5 seconds. That means it is 6 times. Hope my math is correct. If you divide 3 divided, sorry, it's not everybody that went to school. 3 divided by 0.5 is what? 6 times. You see? So Proton chain is actually 6 times faster than Binance chain. But guess what? Proton chain has all these features I listed here. Where are they? Where's my sheet? Yeah. it has all these features that I listed here. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is super fast. It doesn't have compulsory fee for every transaction. It has human readable addresses. It's easy for you to operate smart contracts. Now let's go back to Blocktivity. Telos, the same thing. Telos has a block time of 0.5 seconds and has all those features. Now, EOS has a block time of 0.5 seconds and has all those features. Now, the reason why I have more EOS than Telos, than Tron, than Proton is because Telos and Proton, what they did, now, this is the beautiful thing they did. When EOS had some issues, these guys took the open source software of EOS, which is EOS.io, forked the open source and created a better version of EOS in their own way, right? They created the same way Binance forked Ethereum, you see, to create a better Ethereum called Binance Smart Chain. So these guys, they forked EOS to create what is called Telos and Proton. Now there are several others, you see. Now why do I have more of this than this? Now I have more of this than this because this one has first mover advantage, number one. Number two, this guy is powered directly by a company called Block One. Now Block One, let me open Block One for you guys. Now this is Block One. Now the company behind Block One, of course, they have a partnership with Google. Some people call it Google. I call it Google. Anyways, they have a partnership with Google, and so they are totally committed. They are totally committed to EOS, right? But of course, they build the EOS.io software, and the EOS.io software is used by Telos, Proton, and several other newer blockchains, right? So this is their direct baby, and this is their indirect baby. Obviously, they'll give more attention to these guys than these other two guys. So that is that about Binance Smart Chain. Yeah, it's obviously how many times faster? It's about 3 times faster, 2.6 times faster than Ethereum, right? And that is why people are moving to Binance Smart Chain. But now, here are the pros of Binance Smart Chain. If Binance Smart Chain is 2.6 times faster than Ethereum, that means Binance Smart Chain we get to its cap very soon, right? Because it has fees, right? In the nearest future, right, it's gonna start having the same issues that Binance has, that Ethereum had, right? Because it's just a mere fork of Ethereum, right? And of course, I'm not trying to talk it down. No, I'm just being realistic. You know, it's a non-biased video, right? So, yeah, currently I'm working on the project, and it's going to be on Binance Smart Chain, right? So I'm not trying to talk Binance Smart Chain. I'm just trying to giving us the real thing here, right? Anyways, of course, and I have some BNB also, right? That is that about Binance Smart Chain. Let me know what you think about Binance Smart Chain. Drop your comments in the comment section below, right? And tell me what you think. Let's have a discussion. And also like this video so others can see it, all right? And subscribe to the channel. See ya.